Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to create your own notebook on the KOBO Elipsa 2E. So first, when you're on the main screen in the home section, then click My Notebooks and now click New. Here create a basic notebook and you can also name it. So let me quickly do that. I forgot the H. Now let's click Save. And now we've got our notebook, so we can basically type like hello. And what we can also type is subscribe and like. So basically that's it for the video. As you guys can see, we've created our own notebook. And if you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.